Hey guys, today let's learn how to get your account verified on the Threads application. So if you want to go ahead and make your account and have that check mark right beside your profile, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step how to verify your account. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Basically, as we know, the Threads app is also under the Instagram company. So what we need to do is actually verify and have, of course, the check mark on our Instagram account first before we proceed with actually going ahead and verifying our Threads. But in other words, when you have your Instagram account verified, your Threads app will also become verified as well. So in this case, what we need to do is to go ahead and tap on the Instagram account and log into the account that is also associated with your Threads account that you want to go ahead and have verified. So in this case, once you're already logged in, tap on your profiles in the lower corner and let's tap on the 3-bar menu on the top right. Now from here, let's go ahead and tap on settings and privacy and go ahead and proceed with tapping on, of course, the account type and tools. In this case, you want to go ahead and locate where your account type and tools is. In this case, is also going to be called Creator Tools and Controls. So tap on Creator Tools and Controls. And once you're already here, let's go ahead and tap on the option to proceed, of course, with, requesting a verification. That is going to be located on the lower part of the screen. Tap on Request a Verification. And all we need to do from here is to enter all of the required details. And that is, of course, confirming our identity. So our username is already right there. You also need to enter our full name and a document type supporting our identity, which is of course an ID. It could be our license, a passport, national identification card, or whatever you have available to you. Once that is done, you can now go ahead and add the file to that specific document and proceed with confirm your notability. So you need to enter, of course, your category that you are currently in, also enter your country or region, and of course these options are also optional, so you could also go ahead and just skip that if you want to, and also skip these links if you want to as well. But once you're done with entering all of those required details, what we need to do next is just tap on submit right here, and then of course wait for the Instagram people to go ahead and verify your identity to have that check mark and of course the verification status of your account. But once that is done, you can actually go ahead and tap on your Threads account and see that of course both of your accounts are now verified and you're gonna have the check mark already. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How To Tech and Tutorials.